Hello, guys. Are you ready to read aloud? All right. Well, let's learn about Nature Giant. You see the title right here? Nature Giant by Pam Schuyler. Okay. And please sit in a quiet place and listen to Nature's Giant. Okay. Look at the front page. There's a giant tree, there's a giant moon, there's a giant sun, a forest, and some glaciers like a snow mountain. Okay, so let's see what is this story going to be about. Okay, Nature Giants by Pam Schuyler. Earth is filled with wonder large and small, from tiny sea creatures to majestic mountains. Giant animals roaming on land, flying in the air, swimming in the ocean. Magnificent! Do you know some facts about the whale? Facts from the whale. From the polar bears. Polar bears are the large predators on land. Wow, I didn't know that polar bears were the largest predators on land. Wow, that's scary. Okay, let's continue learning about nature giants. Okay. Giant rocks from the sea forming mountain peaks standing on desert sand. Wow, look at this. Look at this right here. I want you to discuss with somebody about the shapes that you see in these rocks have, okay? Giant tree reaching for the sky, spreading mighty limbs, shading life below. Do you know why they say that this tree is reaching for the sky? Because look over here. He's very, very, very tall. Tall and big tree. Giant ice formation stretching out of sight, floating on the sea, covering mountain tops. See, covering mountain tops. That's a beautiful snow mountain. Wow, look over here also. It looks very nice over here. Look at the people on top of that. Let me make it a little larger. It says facts about icebergs. One piece of ice that lean on the land and led on the scream or tail. Iceberg come in all shapes and sizes. Wow, I like this shape right here. It's beautiful. Giant oceans caressing the horizon, crashing to the shore, hiding life below. So powerful. The oceans are so powerful. Giant rivers winding through the land, carrying transport, revealing beauty with every turn. Oh, look, it looks so peaceful and so beautiful. Giant waterfalls tumbling over rocks, dancing through the air, plunging to the ground. Look at all those beautiful waterfalls. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's continue. Giant sun lighting the day, shining through the trees, warming the earth. Oh, look at the beautiful sun. Yes. And sun is one of the nature giants too. Another nature giant, giant moon gliding across the sky, playing hide and seek, chasing the sun away. Oh, look at the moon. You know, last night there was a full moon and it looked so beautiful, beautiful. It looks like there was a big light bulb outside um, giving light to the whole world. It looked so beautiful last night. I hope you guys were able to see that beautiful full moon. Huge, enormous, gigantic, and tall, magnificent, majestic, regal, splendid, powerful, peaceful, resounding, royal, and mysterious. Earth's giant, one and all. Oh, look at all that. The sun, the whale, the big trees, the big boat in the ocean, the moon, the glaciers, the waterfalls, the rocks. Oh, it looks so nice. Beautiful giants, nature giants. And the end. Well, thank you guys for listening to the read aloud about nature giants. I hope you enjoyed this story. Don't forget to retell the story to somebody and talk to them about your favorite nature giant. Okay? Okay. Have fun.